Setting up a sequence for a pan-tilt zoom camera is much the same as setting up a series of presets. A sequence can only be set on a camera that is designated as a pan-tilt zoom camera in administration. For this particular demonstration, we will be using the Office pan-tilt zoom camera. You can see by its indication of the red crosshairs and by the PTZ sphere that this is in fact a PTZ camera in configuration. To get to the PTZ setup screen, we'll go to the Advanced options, and then we'll go to the PTZ options in the camera overlay. You can see the camera overlay for pan-tilt zoom controls gives you the zoom slider. It also gives you the ability to set and create presets, the ability to lock or unlock your PTZ camera, and the ability to set up a PTZ sequence. Your sequence list is here, and again has the filter option that is consistent within Perspective VMS. For this demonstration tutorial, we will be adding a new PTZ sequence. You can tell it's an add sequence by the red plus sign. Again, that is consistent across other areas within Perspective VMS. The PTZ sequence screen is a very familiar screen to our users in that we have a layout on the left side and a view container on the right. On the layout side, you'll see the existing PTZ presets. The user can double click on a preset for it to show up in the view container on the right, at which point they can define a hold time and the speed or a time to path. When they get that set to their specified parameters, they can select the Add button. The next step will be to choose the next view. For demonstration purposes, we'll choose the next view, which is the monitor. And again, we'll have the hold time. Maybe this time we'll hold for 4 seconds. And we'll select Add. The user has the option to continue to use existing presets for their guard tour or their sequence tour, or they can choose a custom view. You can just pan and tilt and zoom the camera from the view itself. Again, select the hold time and the time to path and select Add. When the tour is sequenced correctly, the user can simply enter a name and then select public or private. As in other areas within Perspective VMS, you need to have permissions to be able to create a private view. The public view will be able to be seen by every user in Perspective VMS. Now, to initiate the tour itself, all we'll do is we'll look at the drop-down list, select the tour sequence, and hit the Start function. Thank you for watching our tutorial on setting up pan-tilt zoom sequences. Please be sure to check out our other tutorials on pan-tilt zoom functions and the camera viewer module.